Hey guys, I'm RiaRua. Continuing on from the fun video of eating snacks in secret, today we are here with a DIY and prank video of eating snacks and cookies. It's almost impossible to eat food during Christmas, right? But we had a funny idea. What if it's possible? Actually, if you are really hungry, you can go to the snack bar at the break time. But we all have that moment where we get crazy ideas. I was drowned in my own weird thought, thinking about my past when I was a student. In the past, I was especially hungry during class, and the desire was able to fire up ideas in my head. Then, let's go see the DIY and prank video together!
예! 오늘은 즐거운 학교 가는 날. 지금은 즐거운 여름방학이지만 난 계절학기를 들으러 학교에 가고 있다. 지금 폭염 때문에 난리도 아닌데 학교도 가고 장하다 장해. 물론 진짜 즐거운 건 아니다. 내가 이렇게 더운 날 학교를 가는 건 다 이유가 있다. 바로 얼마 전 일인데 그날의 기억을 떠올리면 마음이 아프다. 리아 학생, 리포터가 이게 너무 형편없어.
교수님이 씨 부르기를 시전하셨다. 어떻게 할까?
안돼, 막아야 돼! 그 학점만 받을 수 없어! 어떡하지?
뭐야! 이 박스 뭐야!
선택지를 고르시오. 참고로 님은 선택권이 없음.
당당하게 C를 받는다. 소심하게 C를 받는다. 그냥 포기한다. 학교를 떠난다.
뭐야, 선택지 왜 이래? 어떻게 하라고? 고민되는데 뭐하지? 그래, 결정했어. 당당하게 C를 받는다. 아니, 정말 이 마지막 부분은 정말 형편없고.
학점이 미쳐 날뛰고 있다. 효과는 참담했다.
아니, 그럼 선택지는 왜 나온 거야? 낙제만큼은 안 돼. 안 돼요. C라도 주세요. 계절학기에서 보자.
그때 리포터만 잘 써서도 이렇게 방학에 고생할 일이 없는데 그나저나 배고픈데 이따가 수업 끝나고 뭐 먹지? 와, 다 맛있겠다. 계속 맛있는 거 상상했더니 배고파졌어.
배고파.
이봐, 너는 왜 자꾸 수업 시간에 배고파하는 거야?
모르겠어. 집중도 안 되고 배고파. 그럼 내가 좋은 방법을 알려주도록 하지.
First, prepare a gum. I prepared a white gum. Prepared a pencil as well. Not any ordinary pencil, but a pencil with an eraser on the top. Get rid of the eraser. Disinfect the tip with ethanol. Just hold it in for a second, and it will be clean. And if you wet the gum with water and roll it up a bit, it will look like an eraser. Before you stick in the gum, cut out the cover. And if you place it at the pencil's tip, you can use it cleanly. Now we are done with the super simple gum eraser, DIY. An item that we often use. Sticky notes. There is a neat trick with the sticky notes as well, with the use of cheese. Get rid of its covering and cut off the part that it's not used. and we place the cheese on top of each so that it doesn't get crumpled. If it gets too thick, it will be too obvious, so we only use 3 pieces. And we cut it to a similar size to the sticky note. If you line them up properly, it won't be too obvious. Super simple. Cheese. DIY finished.
나 포스트잇. 응? 자.
A bookmark for marking pages. If something is long and flat enough, it can easily look like a bookmark. If you just put it in like this, it really does look like a bookmark. But this is actually my snack. Separate it, and if you stick it, cut the tip with scissors to make it look like a squid tentacles. We're now done with the bookmark illusion. And if you fit it in the ham, tape the rest as well. details clear. We'll be using a real ruler to draw one. We are finally done after that hard work. Ruler. DIY all done.
그 다음 디자인 펜처럼 보일 수 있는 아이템을 만들어 볼 건데요.
With my favorite delicious gummy. First, prepare the meat and vegetable skewers. Then we'll use tape on the gummies so that it won't slide out. Next, we will stick in this oddly shaped gummy. It is now all filled up except the sharp part on the end. We will block this end as well so that the gummies don't slide off. Then, we will color the tip black so that it doesn't look like a pen or a pencil. This makes it look like a design pen. DIY trick successful. Yep, it's porridge. We'll prepare a big pencil holder, but oh no, there are a lot of holes. What should I do? At times like this, you can cut paper to fill up the holes. This should work, right? Yep, it works perfectly. Oh, I'm hungry. It's almost time for dinner. Wow, it looks good. No, I need to focus here. Quickly moving over to the next step, I prepared a sauce container. We will put porridge into this container. And at this state, we will put this into the pencil holder. Make sure it goes through the middle. Next, we put in a straw.
아, 리아야, 나 이 펜 좀 빌려주라. 응, 그래?
Next, we prepared the Chupa Chups candy. Yay! It looks delicious. Why is it that I keep seeing delicious food? Alright, this is food-related DIY. Anyways, refrain from eating and cut this part here. Next, prepare a pencil. We took out the eraser on the tip here. The next process is using the glue gun. If you use it right here, we're done with the super simple Chupa Chups pencil. If you look at it from afar, it looks like a design pencil. But if you think this is unhygienic, you can cover it up with a plastic wrap.
자, 이 부분 집중하세요.
Get rid of the eraser on the tip. Actually, let's use this eraser. Next, cheese. I love cheese. Prepare a white and thin cheese. I cut it a bit because it was too big. And using a Ziploc, we'll cover the cheese. Cut the Ziploc so that it fits the cheese perfectly. Use tape to hold it in position. And if you slide it into the case, we are done with the cheese eraser illusion.
And so DIY and prank video has finished. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. Then see you on the next video. Bye!
Hear my heartbeat calling. Can you feel the love we're falling? Just take my hand and take me home tonight. Throwing caution to the wind, I'll take a chance.